Hey everybody, and once again we have another Toro recycler GTS 6.5 horsepower out for the trash. So let's get a little quick overview of what's going on here. As you can see, no air filter, a lot of dead leaves and grass and stuff sitting on here. And let's start with the gas. It does have gas in it. It smells half good, half bad. So it smells like gas, but it smells pretty bad. Where's my my little dipper thing I had? Let me have my little dipper thing. Let's dip some of the gas out that you made. Yeah, I made this little dipper so we can get a little sample of fuel. Get my little jar. It's right in. It's in the garage. The jar is in the garage. It's behind the blend. It's behind the grinder. There we go. Come on over here. All right, so we took a little dip. Let's take a look at the fuel. Oh, look at that. The fuel does not look that bad. It does not smell that good. Maybe somebody tried to get this thing running. Okay, let's put that back on. All right. Do we have a? Let's check the oil. Okay, well, there's oil in it. Can we get a towel or something? Here's a rag. Yeah. Here's a rag. All right, it's full. All right. As you see,
that is a very good sign.
The primer bulb is still intact. Doesn't look that great. It's a lot of oxidation on the motor.
Got some peeling paint.
Got some peeling paint.
And the handle's kind of
kind of
iffy and kind of.
Well, this one still has its original peg. This one has a 1/4-inch bolt and nut. And then we have this up here. We kind of had a. It's got a plug.
Oh, it's got.
Yeah, pull it on out. Pull the mulch plug on out. And we've got ants. All right, go ahead and put that back in there. If you can.
I don't even know how this went on.
I think it goes. There you
go.
We go. All right, we'll close back up. We'll worry about the ants later. As you can see, it's kind of got these whoosh style wheels on the back. Somebody has changed the wheels up front. Those are not the original wheels because we have another one similar, and that has the whoosh wheels.
It's actually the same model.
Same model, but it's got big tires in the back instead of. All right, it is a personal pace. And you can see this thing's been sitting outside because things have been trying to grow around it there. Things are growing around it here. Right here. The start brake seems to be working. We're going to set on the ground. We're going to do a little starting fluid and see if we can fire this bad boy up. You know, we have way too many lawnmowers right now. This one might just be for parts, good for parts. Looks pretty well beat up. All right, we're gonna put it on the ground, see if we can get it started. All right, we're back. Does it pull over? All right, let's go ahead and give it a little shot. Okay, go. All right, with my fuel injection, it does run. So the carburetor's probably all messed up.
Sounds like it was running a little too high.
Well, when you spray just this stuff on it, it will. All right, everybody. Well, we're going to take and probably have to take the carburetor apart on this one to see what is going on. So we're going to get it back up on the table and we'll drop the float bowl and see what's going on. What size is that? 13?
That is a 13 millimeter.
Okay, you're going the wrong way. There you go. Okay, yeah. We're gonna need a pair. Get the vice grip needle nose. Got the rag underneath to catch the gas. There is no switch, so we're gonna get a pair of vice grip needle nose to stop the flow. The jet's probably all clogged up. That's probably why it won't run. We might have to pull the whole carburetor off. Yeah, go ahead and clamp that down. All right, I'll go ahead and finish taking it apart.
Yeah, I smell good and bad.
You smell good and bad, yeah, like I said.
So sometimes you have to kind of. Yeah, that thing's stuck up
There
there.
we go.
Goes.
So be careful. I have extra O-rings for the float bowls, but if you can be careful with it. Oh yeah, there we go. There's some icky pooey stuff in there.
I don't know where the washer went for the jet.
It's stuck on the bottom.
Okay.
All right, here, let me see. Let me see this.
Oh yeah, there's not even a hole there.
Yeah, this thing. Look here. See how it's all clogged up there? That jet is completely clogged up. I don't think this thing's going to focus, but there's a hole right there that's completely clogged up. So we need to clean this out, clean that out. The float has got a big stain on it, but it looks like it's loose.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. We'll probably pull the pin out and clean that off and make sure. I don't know if we're going to be able to get this thing back together.
Well, you would always do like a mini clean.
Well, yeah, we're going to try a mini clean. We're going to try a mini clean on it first. We're going to clean the jet out, the float bowl out, and wipe everything down and spray everything down. And let's get this stuff cleaned and we'll get it back together. We'll see if it runs. All right. We used a little gum cutter and a wire brush and got in here and cleaned the float bowl out.
Yep, it's clogged.
And we also took the jet out and cleaned and got the hole open in there now. And I used a wire brush on it to get it all cleaned up. It was pretty nasty before. Now G Junior is taking out this air bleed jet. Is it clogged?
Yeah, it's pretty clogged, all right.
Yeah, this is clogged. We're going to clean. Yeah, it's clogged. This air bleed needs to be cleaned out, so we're going to clean this air bleed. We're going to go ahead and put it all back together. We're going to put the float bowl up, put the jet back in, tighten it in, clean this out, put this back in. We'll put it on the ground and see if it starts. All right, well, we got the float bowl back on. We got the jets cleaned out. And we're going to just go ahead and give it a little gum cutter. All right, give it a pull. All right. Again. Alrighty, well, the mini clean did not work. The carburetor is obviously clogged up. That jet was really super clogged, and probably the tube where the jet screws in, that emulsion tube's clogged. We're gonna have to pull the carburetor apart on this one and probably clean it. This one here, at least we know the motor runs. This mower looks pretty rough. I don't think we're gonna put this one back together. Unfortunately, this mower over here, over the winter time, as you can see, it has no float bowl on it because the needle snapped.
The jet broke off.
Yeah, the jet, I'm sorry, you're correct. The jet broke off inside the carburetor, and we're gonna have to try to get that unscrewed, and maybe we can use the jet out of that carburetor in this carburetor, because they are the same on the bottom of them. They're stamped 169, and they're the same. But anyway, this one here will make a good parts lawnmower to repair this one, because there's really nothing wrong with this one except it's a little dirty, and we need to fix the carburetor. This one here, we just got out of the trash. We know the motor runs. We have too many lawnmowers hanging around. The wife's getting mad. So I think this one here, we're gonna pull the motor, pull the tires, and probably take the rest of it to the metal yard. All right, everybody, I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my lawnmower and my automobile repair videos. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you all later.